Which one would you prefer? Well, according to me, neckbands are a little aesthetically unpleasing. What do you think? But this one here, this is OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 ANC. This one changed my mind and I have been using this for a while now. और मैं बताऊंगी अपने यूसेज एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में आपको. तो चलो डिज़ाइन और फिट्स के साथ शुरू करते हैं. OnePlus has used a soft material and सबसे ज़्यादा important है कि ये IP55 रेटिंग के साथ आपको मिलता है, which means you can use it at the gym unparalleled. It looks very similar to OnePlus Z2 when it comes to design, but it is a bit more comfortable to wear. It's lightweight and doesn't weigh much on your neck. Connection with fast Google Pair is available. Also, whenever you detach the buds, तो आपके फ़ोन पे एक notification pop-up होता है for pairing the earbuds again. So now if I talk about all the controls, they are available at the right side of the band. और इसमें एक बहुत ही कमाल का एक्स्ट्रा बटन दिया हुआ है जिसे यूज़ करके आप डिवाइसेस के बीच में स्विच कर सकते हो, ANC ऑन कर सकते हो, ट्रांसपेरेंसी मोड ऑन कर सकते हो. मतलब काफ़ी कमाल का ये बटन आपको इसमें एक्स्ट्रा यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. So for example, you are using the band with your another device and you get a call suddenly, so you can immediately switch between the devices to receive the call. Touch controls की बात करें तो they are also decent. Tactile feedback भी काफ़ी decent है. So there is magnet in the buds, so if you detach them, so the music that you are playing on your device will pause. उसमें थोड़ा सा lag ज़रूर feel होता है, but I think that's essential. उसके अलावा आप Hey Melody ऐप भी यूज़ कर सकते हो to get access to all the controls and the features that you get in this device. Also, if you are a OnePlus user, ये सारे features आपको Bluetooth settings में ही मिल जाएंगे. With the app, you can switch between ANC, transparency and normal mode. इसमें एक earbud test भी आपको देखने को मिलेगा. So, if you want to know that the earbud is fitting you correctly or not. Plus, you can customize sound with SoundMaster EQ, which is basically the equalizer. Now, if we talk about the performance parameters in this device, the ANC is really good. It can cut up to 45 decibels of environmental sound. It can easily cut out the honking sound or the AC hum sound, even if it's too loud. But it won't be able to cut down sounds like people talking around you, which is, I guess, is fine because that's the case with most of the earbuds. Also, considering the price bracket, I'm extremely impressed with the sound quality. Even the transparency part has been in-tuned well. People talking around you sounds very clear, but you sound a little robotic in your ear. There is one low latency mode for gamers as well, but that you would only be able to connect with OnePlus devices. Now if we talk about the sound signature, you get 12.4 mm of drivers inside each housing. And ये दो Bluetooth codecs support करता है, SBC and AAC. Unfortunately, there is no LDAC or LHDAC available. The good part about sound quality is that this can get really loud also, guys. So I listen to really peppy and loud songs, and I was listening those songs at 70% volume, but that was also high for me. Instrument sounds very clear, so let's say आप Vibe सुन रहे हो by Diljit Dosanjh, you'll enjoy the instruments distinguishing from each other. So you get a very balanced sound on equalizer. ऐसा OnePlus ने कहा था, but in reality that's not the case, guys. So it's fine with clarity and imaging, but not that great with sound staging. अगर mics की बात करें तो they are as good as a wired earphone. मैंने sample attach किया है, you guys can hear that. और मुझे बताओ comment section में कि आपको इसका sound quality कैसा लगा.
Hi, this is Vanshika and you are listening me on Gadget Times. You guys let me know about the audio quality since I'm recording this on my brand new OnePlus wireless buds. I think the quality is extremely fine.
तो अगर हम बैटरी की बात करें, so what OnePlus has claimed कि इसमें आपको 20 hours of playback time मिलेगा, which is true. आप 18-19 घंटे with ANC on इसको बहुत आराम से यूज़ कर पाओगे. Now if I overall talk about the product, तो इसमें बैटरी लाइफ अच्छा है, इसका ANC अच्छा है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी इसमें काफ़ी अच्छा है. What I didn't like is the fit. कई बारी बहुत ही डिस्कम्फर्ट फील होने लगता है. ट्रेबल इसका जो है थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लमैटिक है, मतलब साउंड क्वालिटी में आपको थोड़ा सा एवरेजनेस फील होगा, एंड दैट्स दी ओनली ड्रॉबैक. बाकी आई थिंक कंसिडरिंग द प्राइस रेंज 2300 ये ठीक ठाक बर्ड्स आपको, नेक बैंड बर्ड्स आपको मिल जाते हैं. यू गाइस कैन कंसीडर बाइंग. बाकी this is it about this review. This is Anshika signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one.